I'm Caroline Hambright, and this is Brighter Days, and I just moved to a new house with friends! No, but seriously though. This is Fisherman Dave.
Hi.
This is Elizabeth. This is electronic engineer Ethan.
Hi.
He makes science. Oh. Lily's basically obsessed with it. So my friends are awesome, and unbeknownst to them, they are going to help me turn the garage into a workshop. Remember how my last place, I lived in a studio, it was like a dark cave, it was so small that I would hurt myself, and just I didn't have room. Well, now I have a whole garage. Now, before I get started doing this, I need to explain to you what I'm gonna do and why, because it involves a little bit of my philosophy and why I'm even making a YouTube channel, so I'm gonna have to get serious for a second. Whoa. Okay. The world is full of stuff that people have made out of the earth, and the earth is getting less, and the stuff we've made is getting more. And the earth is suffering, and I don't like it. So instead of taking fresh resources like wood and metal, I'm gonna take garbage. If I wanted to make a workbench and some shelves out of some lumber that I got at Home Depot, I could do that. I have those skills. But I'm not going to do that. I'm going to get things that are already made, and guess what? They're usually a lot cheaper and probably made way better than I can do myself, since my workmanship is different. So, let me show you the most amazing place in the internet. That's right, Craigslist, and especially free Craigslist. And as luck would have it, look what I found. It turns out a Staples was closing in my town. It was actually pretty weird to be in there, but also awesome.
Hey.
I'm Caroline.
I'm Mike.
Nice to meet you, Mike.
Nice to meet you.
We got some nice stuff here.
These ones back here, they do all come apart in 4-foot sections.
I took 3 of those 4-foot sections. And good thing too, look what they did to the others. And they don't fit. We need some shelves. Shelves are almost never free on Craigslist, but don't forget to check the furniture and general sections. This guy delivered, too bad he wrapped it in plastic. Whatever. I was so excited to get stuff off the ground. Some of these have shelves and some have these cool drawers. This one's gonna be pink. Oh, it is not. That is not Rambling Rose. If I shake it more. I'm uncomfortable. Oh, it worked.
Whoa.
Weird. Gross. I wonder how old this is. Probably old enough to give us cancer.
New stuff gives us cancer too.
Dude, this color... Just FYI, I did not buy all this paint. I definitely took it out of my parents' garage. Look at this piece of pegboard. Watch out for that sharp edge, dude.
I hate splinters.
Look, it doesn't fit in the back. We had to strap it to the top. It's so sketchy. Let's make this piece of garbage usable. Measure the new piece. Looks like it fit. Oh, look at that. Good. That didn't sound great. All right, sure. Just gotta find the right screw so I can screw it in and reinforce the rest of it so it's nice and sturdy. Looks like it worked. I painted, some of it was spray paint, and it was gonna take me forever, and it was so smelly. So I found this can at my friend's house. Now what the heck, we're just gonna have us a little fun. We're mixing some alizarin crimson with some dioxazine purple to make a really nice lavender there. Now we're gonna mix up a nice pink and a turquoise and just a yellow. Make sure to add enough water to make it very watery for the splatter painting we're about to do. We have like 50 plugs. Look at all these plugs. So much space for activities. Thank you, Ethan. Inside! Go inside, I love you. Go inside. That's not... Okay. Okay. We're gonna measure it. It was Ethan's idea. I almost never measure anything. It's good to have friends. So... Good. The little sponge fell back there. Okay, here's the problem. If anything falls back there,
Oh no.
like you're basically... Wait.
Oh no.
But seriously. Yes!
Sweet.
Oh yeah.
Not like that. Hey. I need pegs, but there's too many choices. Super handy chart. I'm actually obsessed with the packaging. They just have a piece of cardboard with Scotch tape. Altogether, these are like $20, but like, there's really nothing else that's gonna do this job. And that's when I say it's okay to buy something. I'm so happy. I've had this screwdriver since I was 10 years old. I told my parents I was going to the video store, which I did. Probably rented Terminator because they let me. And then I stopped at the hardware store and spent my allowance on a screwdriver. Ooh, the level. Not level. That's so annoying. I went to the Staples that's still open, and I got my logo printed out really big. Just a couple bucks, not even worth mentioning. It's done! I finally did it. I even cleaned off the whole thing. Now what do I do?